Achieve app, how to make money online in Ghana. 100 cities free mobile money. Yes, right on Achieve app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Just go to Play Store and then I want you to type in Achieve app. So when it comes, just pick the correct one, and as you can see here, what I have to do is just click on install. So wait for it to install, and when it's finished installing, as it is installing over here, just open the app. So this is how the app looks like, and then they are going to welcome you, and then you are going to type in your email address and then hit on continue. The next thing to do is to put in your name, your first and then your second name, then you put in your telephone number, then you set a password, a strong password I recommend. So after setting the password, all I have to do is to just click on sign up. It is as easy as ABC. The next thing is to read the terms and conditions over here. Then they are going to send you a digit number through your email address that you have to just enter it here to confirm that it is actually you who is registered. So after confirming, just click on continue, and then you'll be welcome to your dashboard. So they want to know you. You have to take your time and then fill all these informations. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to activate it and then fill all this information. So just read it and then pick the correct answers. Okay, and then let's set your profile. So just click on set my profile. So the first thing that we're going to do is your personal information. So whether you are married, your residential status, your occupation, your next of kin, the name of the next of kin. Okay, the first name and then the other name, you have to just fill it. After that, just choose the date of birth of your next of kin and then the telephone number as well. The next thing that you are going to provide is your Ghana card information. Okay, so you are going to input in your Ghana card number, the ID number, the expiring date, just select it, and then the place of issue to put it over there. Okay, and then you have to also select your date of birth over here. Then the next thing to do is to take a picture of the Ghana card, a front picture of the Ghana card. Just click on add a front picture and then you'll be given the option to take it. The next thing that you have to do is to also take a selfie of yourself, your own picture. Then you click on save and then continue. Make sure that your background is plain and then it is clear when you take your selfie. The next thing to do is to fill your employment details, which is very important. Okay, your employment status and all that. The next thing to do is to fill this expected amount activity over here, where you actually get your primary source of fund from, and then the secondary source of fund, whether it is salary or any of them, to just fill it, and then expected amount where you get your money from. Okay, whether it is personal, and then your expected top up frequently, if it is daily or monthly or any of them. Okay, and then your expected top up amounts, just input in the correct figures because you are going to do it, and then your expected withdrawal frequency, whether it is daily or monthly, and then your expected withdrawal amount over here. So just put in the correct figures as well, and then when you are done, you have to state your investment objectives. Okay, we are not going to invest. I am just going to show you exactly how to make money from this app, but you have to fill all this first. Okay, then you have to also select your risk tolerance. I'm going to choose the medium. Okay, I'm not going to pick low or high, just be in the middle. The next thing to do is to also answer your investment horizon. Okay, so just click over here the up and down arrow, and then we have the short term or the medium term. So let me pick the medium term, and then the next thing is your investment knowledge. So I'm going to pick the medium. It is then going to take you to this dashboard. We have the wallet section down here. Just click on it, and then we have several wallets that you can work with. You can work with your mobile wallet or your bank account. So when you pick your mobile wallet, all you have to do is to add your mobile money wallet, your active one. Okay, so you are going to input in the name on the wallet, and then the wallet, whether it's being MTN or whatever. If you want to also go with the bank, you can also add your bank details as well. You are going to fill the name on your bank account, and then you are going to select over here. As you can see, it says select your bank and then the branch. Okay, so when you click on it, we have all these numerous banks that you can pick from. Okay, just take your time and then look through. You will find your bank and then select it. After that, over here we are then going to go to the profile section. When you look down here, and then when you are in the profile section, the first one, it says that refer a friend and then earn. Okay, when you click on it, you can see that down here we have copy link. You can copy it, and then we have copy username. You can copy it as well. So this is how we are going to make our money. What we are going to do is to share this link. You can share it through any of the social media platforms. You can share it on WhatsApp, through messages, through email, Bluetooth, any of them. Okay, you can just share it to a friend, and then when your friend sign up, you then earn a commission. So this is how to make your money. Imagine if you are able to get 10 of your friends to sign up. Each one is giving you 10 Ghana cedis, okay, which is, and then you are going to get 100 Ghana cedis in just a day. Okay, you can also invest as well and then earn money. And then when you have any issues as well, you can also contact them. Okay, you can chat them live with a live support, or you can send them an email address. So this app is a nice app which I have taken my time to review it, which I'm having a video on it on the review side, so you can just check it out. So if you want to chat their live support, let's say I want to ask them, is it safe to invest on Achieve, and I'll be giving a prompt message. So thank you for watching this video, and then see you in my next video.